morning, first grade. Welcome to a new week. This week, we are going through calendar. We have our even numbers that we've already been talking about, and we're also going to add some odd numbers in this week as well. Let's go ahead today and start with our calendar. We are still in the month of September, and we need to know how to spell September. So get your hands ready. We are going to do what we did at the beginning of the month to remember it. Any little thing you can do to help yourself remember is going to be really helpful and beneficial to you. Here we go. S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R, September. Again, S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R, September. Okay. Yesterday was the 27th. If yesterday was the 27th, today is the 28th. And what year are we in? We are still in the year 2020. S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R, September 28, comma, 2020. That is your date, September 28th, 2020. Get your snapping fingers ready. It's time to go over our days of the week. Here we go. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then comes Saturday. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday, and then comes Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Great job. Today is what day? It's the first day of the school week, but remember that Sunday starts our week. It's the second day of the week, actually, because today is Monday. If today's Monday, what was yesterday? Yesterday was Sunday. And what will tomorrow be? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Very good. We are still in September. Today we're just going to say our months of the year instead of getting up and doing the Macarena. So here we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. We have some counting to do today. We have our tens, and then we also have counting by twos, evens, and odds. Let's count by tens first. We're going to go forward, and then we're going to go backwards. Here we go. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And let's count backwards from 100 up to 0. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and 0. We need to count by twos. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. You can keep clapping. I'm going to point to them this time. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And let's go backwards, starting at 20. Counting by twos are even numbers, all the way back to 0. 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, and 0. And we have our odd numbers. Remember, our odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, right? Here we go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. Let's do that one more time. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. And go backwards. 21, 19, 17, 15, 13, 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, and 1. Great job. Keep practicing those. The more that you practice those, the easier they will be for you. Take a look at the time that I have on the board. This time says 3 o'clock. How am I going to show 3 o'clock on this clock? Well, you know your minute hand has to be at the 12, but my hour hand can't be at the 5. And you go backwards. I need my hour hand to be pointing at the 3 and my minute hand pointing through the 12. Nice work with that this morning. We're actually going to be using our clock for our problem of the day also this morning. Let me grab my sheet so that we can go through that together. It says Mrs. Wolf told the children that tomorrow they would go to gym 1 hour earlier than they did today. Today they went to gym at 1 o'clock. At what time will they go to gym tomorrow? So, they usually, or today, went to gym at 1. And she said tomorrow they would go an hour earlier. So am I adding an hour or am I getting rid of an hour? I'm going to have to get rid of an hour. So what I'm going to do for my clock, you guys can be practicing these with your little clocks every day too. What I'm going to do with my clock, because mine I can't just move my hour hand, it would break my whole clock, is I'm going to make this go backwards. 1 whole spin around. Now this is what 12 o'clock looks like. Don't let this confuse you. This is 12 o'clock. This is the time that they will go to gym tomorrow. 12 o'clock noon. Is the time that they will go to gym. It is fall outside, first grade, and since it is fall, you're probably noticing that the leaves are starting to change colors, aren't they? Think of some colors that you're seeing in the trees. Are you seeing reds, maroon, orange? Some leaves only turn more of a yellow and get a little bit of brown in it. Are you seeing blue leaves? No. Are you seeing black leaves? Well, sometimes they kind of look like they have a titch of black to them when they kind of get all yucky. Do you see any like polka dot leaves? No. But you definitely see the reds, the oranges, the yellows. Some of them are still green, or they even turn a little bit different color green. You even sometimes see a little bit of brown, don't you? What is the weather like if you look outside right now? What is it like? Remember, we have temperature, and then we have other characteristics. So, is it warm, hot, cool, or cold? Now, is it windy, rainy, sunny, cloudy, snowy? Okay, those are your 2 characteristics then in the season of fall for today, Monday. We have 2 more things to do today. We need to look at our pattern and we need to do some counting. Let's get right to our pattern. You can see on our pattern I have square, circle, circle, square, circle, circle, square. Now, I would suggest showing what you have for your pattern. And I have an ABB pattern because the circle just shows up twice in a row. So it's called an, that's called an ABB pattern. So we need to finish that same pattern. The square was an A, B, B. A, B, B. Now we just have to fill that in. What was the B? A circle. So square, circle, circle. Square, circle, circle. Very good. Today we're starting to count at 109, and we're counting by ones. Now we are not going to fill this whole thing up. We are going to stop. We will stop right here. And here we go. 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, and 128. Great work. I love that you're watching these videos. I love that you're practicing this with me. If you have scratch paper at home, practice writing these numbers out, because this is stuff that you're going to be seeing over and over and over again. Practice writing your date every day during calendar, during your math, on whatever papers you are writing on. Go ahead and write the date on. The more practice you get, the better and the easier it'll be for you. All right, we will see you back here tomorrow for calendar.